Dr. R.S. Sharma, Chief Executive Officer, but Vipul Agarwal, Deputy Chief Executive Officer, Jangka National Health Authority, Kilawan Shillong, Banpalong Yakajingalang, Peit ka review meeting, Halor ka Jingpyntrei ka scheme Sarkar India, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri, Jan Arogya Yojana, Nakabanta ki Pratali ki Jilla ka Thain Lam Mingi, ki Bakantup ka Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, but Sikkim. Kani ka jingalang kalong haka arpulai but arpusal tarik mentau benai ha Shillong. Haka jingpet penya kinong penya yaka National Health Authority yaki Jingpyntrei kam jang kiti ki jilla yaka ni ka scheme ay jing sumari yaki bapang ki battemen but ki khulung khanna u Dr. Sharma but u Vipul kilayero shikadei yaki Jingpyntrei jing sarkar jilla kani ka than ban ay ki lat sumar sukher shiki bapang bashitam amtang haki jaka sor henry shiki nong kandong but kishnong ki bajingai na ki hospital. U Dr. Sharma ulai ru jing persang jang sarkar jilla banten rong kam sumar sukher haki jaka nong kendong haki terpeng jang kinong yalam shnong haki than nong kendong. Ulo ong baka jinge don ketilang kinong yalam shnong haki committee ka kwat ka kya ka health committee kan penchlori ki para shnong bantur shakmat ban shimi kilat sumar sukher hashnong hatha.
During the pandemic, we have seen people have started using digital means. People are making WhatsApp, sending pictures to the doctor, calling, video calls, and then, explaining the symptoms or explaining the problems. Doctors are prescribing medicines on the system. So all that has been happening. So the ABDM, the digital mission, has come at a time when towards digitization. And I believe, and we all believe, that digital framework creation which has been done by Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission is actually start a completely new era of delivery of health services and using technology to deliver that, which will make things less costly, which is affordable because you don't have to travel. It will become accessible because then people from remote areas can also call to the doctor so as to make better diagnosis. So there will be multiple benefits. It has to start, and as you yourself, some of you yourself said about the low connectivity problem. In fact, this is something which was discussed, and this is the biggest challenge of the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, especially in the areas where connectivity is poor. But let me also give you one particular statistics that today India has got 1.2 billion mobile connections. There are only 25,000 villages in the whole country, about 6.5 lakh villages, which do not have connectivity. So I think slowly the connectivity space is increasing. It's actually becoming better. India today has 4G connectivity. And for health facility delivery, communicating the medicines, communicating them, it does not take a very large bandwidth. However, we should not ignore the connectivity problem. I think what I am going to do is, when I go back to Delhi, I am going to talk to the TRAI and the Department of Telecom to say that kindly ensure that we have better connectivity, because connectivity gives you a sense of nearness, sense of being connected, sense of being the main participant in the whole process. So connectivity is extremely important. So I think we will continue to work, because that is the basis of having any kind of digital line, which is undersea cable which has gone there. Now there are some hilly areas, specific terrain related issues, which I think we will need to sort it out.